Have you ever stopped to think about what it really cost to build those massive medieval castles? Castles that still look unshakable to this day? It wasn't just stone and magic. It was sweat, blood, and a daily fight against death. Behind those majestic walls and towering spires lies a brutal story. Men who carried tons of stone, men who faced deadly accidents, disease, and working conditions we'd consider unthinkable today. And all of it without cranes, modern machines, or even a detailed blueprint. Just raw strength, courage, and almost secret knowledge passed down through generations. If you think building a castle was easy, think again. We're about to reveal 10 shocking facts about medieval construction. Facts that will completely change how you see these legendary fortresses of history.
2. The Master Mason. Behind every towering castle, there was one person holding it all together: the Master Mason. He wasn't just an ordinary supervisor. He was the architect, the engineer, the manager, and the strategist of the entire project. And he did it all without a degree, without courses, without modern technology. His knowledge came from experience, built over decades. He started as a helper, learning directly from older masters. He knew exactly where each stone should go. He could calculate weight and design spiral staircases to confuse invading enemies. With just simple tools, a rope, a plumb line, and a square, he would sketch the castle right onto the ground. No blueprints, no computers. It was a skill that felt almost mystical. His word was law. One mistake could bring the entire project down and cost him his life. The Master Mason was the invisible soul who turned dreams into stone.
3. Solid foundations, the battle against the ground. A castle is only as strong as its foundations, and preparing the ground for construction was a dirty, dangerous, and exhausting battle. The ideal spot, a solid rock, high on a hill or cliff. The stone served as a natural base and as a built-in defense against enemies. But when the land was flat, the work multiplied. Thousands of men dug deep trenches, some more than 10 meters down, all by hand, using pickaxes and wooden shovels reinforced with iron. The soil they removed was piled into massive mounds inside the moat, and if water was nearby, they'd flood the moat, turning the castle into an almost impenetrable island. Then came the foundations. They dug until they hit solid ground or bedrock. It was the most dangerous part. One wrong move and the walls could collapse, burying workers alive. To stabilize the base, they drove thousands of oak stakes into the ground. Stakes so strong they could last centuries, even underwater, without rotting. 4. The power of the crowd. Who were the workers? Building a castle was never a job for just a few. Thousands of people were involved, forming a kind of temporary city around the site. Most were peasants, forced to work by order of the feudal lord. They dug trenches, carried stones, hauled water and mortar. It was backbreaking, filthy, and dangerous work, and they had no choice. Refusing meant facing harsh punishment. Above them were the skilled craftsmen, masons, carpenters, blacksmiths, respected professionals who were actually paid. The masons were the elite of the workforce. Some shaped rough stones, while others carved intricate details with precision. Carpenters built scaffolding, cranes, and wooden structures. Blacksmiths forged nails, hinges, tools, and repaired whatever broke. All of them lived together in tents and clay huts near the construction site. It was a loud, chaotic community with markets, taverns, and even the occasional fight.
5. Logistics, the nightmare behind the stone. Building a castle required a true logistical operation. Millions of tons of stone, timber, lime, sand, and iron had to reach the construction site. Ideally, there was a quarry nearby. If not, the stones had to be transported over long distances. They used oxen to pull sleds or carts. Oxen were preferred, stronger, more durable, and better suited for rough terrain. Imagine slow-moving caravans, creaking wheels, broken axles, and exhausted animals. If a river was nearby, stones were loaded onto boats and carried as close to the site as possible. Timber, mostly oak, had to be brought in from deep forests. In winter, the logs were dragged over snow, making transport a bit easier. To lift everything to the top of the walls, they used wooden ramps and pulley systems. Men and animals moved massive loads with raw strength and careful coordination. No modern machines, just brute labor and a lot of ingenuity. 6. The secret of medieval cement, castle mortar. The mortar that held the stones together was the true backbone of a castle's strength. But making this mixture wasn't simple. It was almost a kind of alchemy. The main ingredients? Lime, sand, and water. But the quality of each made all the difference. The sand had to be clean, free from any impurities. The lime came from burning limestone in special kilns at extremely high temperatures. This process required constant fire, intense heat, and extreme care. Then, the quicklime was mixed with water, triggering a violent reaction that released thick smoke and intense heat. Sometimes, secret ingredients were added to make the mortar stronger. Things like animal fat, egg whites, even ox blood. These strange additions made the mix more flexible and far more durable. It was a closely guarded secret among master masons. Without this special mortar, the castles we see today might never have survived the centuries.
7. The Brotherhood of Masons, masters, apprentices, and secret marks. Masons weren't just workers, they were a brotherhood. There were different ranks, from those who cut raw stone to the master sculptors of fine detail. The path began as an apprentice, spending years learning the secrets of the craft. He would assist the master, carry tools, and watch every move with careful attention. Then came the rank of journeyman, allowed to work independently and earn a wage. At the top were the Freemasons, experts in carving intricate designs and sacred geometry. Each mason had a unique mark, a personal symbol carved into the stones. It was their signature, a way to claim their work and ensure fair payment. These marks also helped maintain quality and were part of a secret code. This system later inspired powerful societies that still exist today, like the Freemasons. The Brotherhood ensured that sacred knowledge was passed down and preserved. Building a castle was one of the most dangerous jobs of the medieval era. There was no such thing as safety protocols. Falls were the leading cause of death. Scaffolding made of wood and rope was fragile and unstable. One wrong step, one strong gust of wind, and a worker could plummet to the ground. Many died. Others were left seriously injured. Stones could fall at any moment. Sharp, heavy tools caused constant cuts, bruises, and broken bones. And then there was the dust. Stone dust from the quarries filled the air, leading to deadly respiratory diseases. Life in the workers' camps wasn't much better. Poor hygiene and overcrowding fueled the spread of serious illnesses. Few had access to proper medical care. And yet, the work never stopped. The construction went on, claiming lives day after day.
9. The price of power, costs and struggles of castle construction. Building a castle cost a fortune. And not just in money, but in time, effort, and human lives. Many lords and kings poured nearly all their wealth into these projects. It was never a task for one lifetime, but for entire generations. The biggest expense? Labor. Even peasants forced to work had to be fed, housed, and managed. Skilled craftsmen demanded high wages and often extra benefits. Materials like stone, iron, lead, and glass were expensive and difficult to transport. To fund it all, taxes were raised, leading to unrest and even revolts. Some kings were driven to bankruptcy, all for the sake of building a single castle. Construction only moved forward during the warmer seasons. In winter, the cold made it impossible for mortar to set properly. Because of these challenges, many castles were never finished. And many changed along the way, reshaped by difficulty, time, and circumstance. 10. The legacy of stone, more than just a fortress. A medieval castle was more than just a fortress. It was a symbol of power, wealth, and prestige. Its towering walls and majestic spires inspired fear and respect. They told the stories of entire generations. Behind those stones were thousands of unknown people. With sweat, blood, and sacrifice, they built these eternal monuments. Today, we admire their beauty and grandeur, but rarely stop to think about the human cost behind it all. Building a castle was a Herculean challenge, almost unimaginable today. No machines, just human strength, simple tools, and incredible ingenuity. These structures stand as living proof of the courage and skill of an age long past. Every stone tells a story of hard work, danger, and passion for creation. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the brutal reality of the Middle Ages, like and subscribe. There's much more coming to reveal the real fascinating past.